What's the meaning of cabinetry? Cabinetry. Cabinetry.
Cabinetry. Cabinetry. Cabinetry refers to the craft and trade of making furniture and fixtures that are typically installed in a building's interior or built in. The term encompasses a broad range of items, including cabinets, drawers, shelves, and other storage units. Cabinetry is often constructed from wood and may be customized to a particular space or design style. The end result of expertly crafted cabinetry is a functional and beautiful addition to any home, office, or commercial space. Good cabinetry can not only enhance the appearance of a room, but also increase its utility and value.